Okay, question 11 here, so it's 11A. Which to write down the letters of these two triangles that are congruent. Congruent means the same shape size-wise, but can be spun round. So if we're looking at the triangles we have here, C and B can be reflected into themselves. So C or B and C would be your answer there. One of these triangles is isosceles. Isosceles meaning has two sides the same length and the other side different. So which triangle is that? That would be E, because it goes 2 down and 3 across. So E would be our isosceles one. And then C, triangle G is an enlargement of A. So G to A, right on the scale factor, it's got twice as large in terms of the dimensions. So the scale factor of it would then be 2. Question 12. Mr. Shah is working out the cost of electricity used in April. Mr. Shah has to pay 21.3p for each of the first 70 units and then 10.2p for after. Work out the total cost. So first step, and this is a calculator question. You can spend a long time doing it without a calculator, but we may as well put it straight into a calculator. So first step there. So 80,305, and let's take away 79,721. So that means we've got then 584 units. So if I take off the first 70 units, because they're the ones that are going to be charged at 21.3p, that only leaves us with 514 units. So we have 70 units charged at 21.3p each. And then we've got 514 units, and they are then times at 10.2p. So 70 times by 21.3 gives you 1,491 pence, and then we've got 514 units times by 10.2p, which then gives you 5,242p, 0.8. The 0.8 will round up to 3 because it's in pence, and then we'll add the two together, which will then give us an answer of 6,734 pence. And we'll just double check it's looking for it. It doesn't say in a value, so we'll probably put that into pounds. So it's £67.34. Question 13. Here's a diagram of a triangular prism. Write down the number of faces. So for 13A, part 1, the number of faces there, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, so it's 5 faces. Part 2, edges, that's the lines, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines are created or drawn to create that shape. Then we're asked, here's a solid cuboid made from centimetre cubes, find the volume. Now you can count the number of cubes in it. I prefer to look at the dimensions here. So it's 3 times 2 and times it by 2 again. So 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 times 2 gives us 12, and that again is in centimetres cubed. Question 14 is what we call a star question. So personally at this point here, I would split the page into 3 bits. And then we can have what I draw as a summary at the bottom, that's what it's looking for. So buying 270 chocolate biscuits, she finds chocolate biscuits at 3 different shops. In which shops are they cheaper? You must show your work in. So we've got 9 biscuits in a pack, and they cost that much per pack. Buy 1 pack and get 1 pack extra free. So first step is to divide 270 by 9. So that will give us 30. So we want 30 packs. We'll only then be charged for 15 packs because we get one free for everyone we buy. So it'll be 15 times by £1.80. So 15 times by £1.80 will then give us £27. The second one is then 18 biscuits in a pack. So we'll do 270 divided by 18 this time. That will then give us 15 packs. Buy 2 packs and get 1 extra pack free. So if we buy 2 packs, we in fact get 3 packs. So if I buy 10 packs, I'll get 15 packs because I'll get 5 free. Times that then by £2.50. And that will then give me £25. The last one, 27 biscuits in a pack. So divide by 27. So that's 10 packs and it's £2.60 a pack. Will then give you £26. So 26, 25 and 27. So we're looking which one is cheaper. Shop B, and that's by £1 to shop C. Always put like a little comparison between the two, just so it's showing you clear understanding there. And then question 15, the old pie chart question. First thing we're asked here is probability. So 15A, I'll just fit in here. One student is in the school orchestra and is chosen at random. Find the probability she plays the flute. That's 7 then. Out of the total here. And the total there is out of 30. So it's 7 out of 30. Now our next step then, we've got to go to now draw an accurate pie chart. So we need to make it the angles here. We create an angle column. And the angles must set up to 360. So if you do 360 divided by 30, that will give you what your multiplier is. And in this case, it's 12. So I'm going to times all of these numbers up here by 12. So it's 60, 144, 672, and then 84 in there. Again, you can just check by adding those up to make sure you're correct. We then take our protractor, bring to the center, make sure you point to the center. We then rotate this round so that our top line is lined up. I'm going to make this try and make this perfect as I can. There we go. And then we're going to mark on here 60 degrees, so 10, 20, 30, 40, so on up to 60. So 60 degrees is in there. I then move my protractor for a second and draw myself a line in, going from here all the way across through my point there. So it'll be there. We'll then return the protractor, bring the protractor back, and then spin the protractor and line it up with the line. We then put a dash going round 144. So it's the top one, so we'll get to 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 144 then will come in there. Again, remove the protractor, bring the point down, protractor then goes back on again, spin around again, so we line up that line there, and we then go to 84, so 80 and then into the 4 point, so 4 will be there, and I can actually remove my protractor and then just bring this final line in. What we'll then do is label them up. So we've got clarinet, we've got guitar, we've got flute, and then we've got drums. So we've now got all our 4 that were required for 15.